Off we go to Monk's Walk, baby.
Look at it! Oh my god! We're coming down here for test runs.
Oh.
Imagine that view!
Wow!
That's insane!
Oh,
that's mental, isn't it?
You know what it reminds
Mental!
It reminds me of the Wembley Arch.
Here we are.
Oh, it does actually, yeah.
Here we go again. That 20 view close. Oh my god, I've been attacked by the tree.
It's hard, isn't it?
Hello everybody and welcome to our first closed season update of Hyperia. And yeah, we went out last night to SLK STN Unlocked, and as you can tell, look at Izzy's hoodie. Look at that.
I'm wearing it today.
I've got one in the car as well, and literally thank you so much for a good night, Jack. And here we are. Can't believe we're back in the circle again, back to closed season.
Yeah, it is. It's an exciting one.
Say goodbye to that logo on your hat.
Yeah, say goodbye to this one. This is going to be it. And joining us today, we've got Izzy, Luke, Luke's there. I forgot. And we've got Sophia, Kate, and is it Harry, yeah?
Yes, Harry.
Hello, welcome to the channel. You're on the telly now, alright? So, here we are. We're about to start our journey now. Wow! Oh my god.
They're doing it there. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I'll tell you what, if I'm coming down here.
We are absolutely mind blown. All the community have done it as well.
Amazing.
It's just nice to see people are excited for this now. I just can't believe we're back closed season, and I'm wearing my outfit for today, and this will be retro. So if you like one of these, check out the website. £20 for a Christmas jumper now, and I'm sure next year they might do something new. By the way, she hasn't seen what it looks like since in a while.
I've not seen this. I've not seen any of it.
I haven't even put the concrete in.
Look at that though.
Amazing.
Just look at the maintenance bin, it's quite big. There's Luke. That is how big this maintenance building is. It's absolutely massive. I'm not gonna lie, but this is insane.
Surprise!
Horrible, isn't it?
Right.
So that is it for the first closed season update of Hyperia. It's weird, isn't it? Not being back on par. John Lewis has brought out the park today. I'm not actually that jealous, to be honest. I'm just waiting for Hyperia now. I know a few people down Mark Talk are like, oh, I wish I went on rides. I'm like, well, I'm waiting for Hyperia. And it's a beautiful sight. It's blue sky with the track colours. Oh, wow. Just imagine what the colour train will be.
Wow.
Wow.
Some people might know.
Merlin do. Merlin know what they're doing.
Oh, I hope they do.
Oh yeah. But for me, don't know. Really don't know at the minute. Who knows what the future brings. For now, thank you, Luke, for joining, and thank you to Lewis. Thank you to Sophia and Kate and the community, everyone that I've seen all week yesterday. All week yesterday, I mean, in the last 24 hours. You can tell my voice is going.